In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get section anchor links in Squarespace. This is a really useful feature if you want to send visitors to a specific part of your page, instead of just the top of the website. Section anchor links are perfect for things like navigation buttons, call to action links, or any hyperlink that should jump directly to a certain section. To get started, open your Squarespace website and click Edit. This will let you make changes directly on the page you're working on. Once you're in editing mode, find the section you want to create an anchor link for. This should be the exact section you want people to land on when they click the link. Next, click on that section and then look to the top right where you'll see Edit section. Go ahead and click that. This opens the section settings where Squarespace gives you options related specifically to that section. In these settings, you'll see a place where you can enter a custom name for the section. This name is important because it becomes the section anchor that Squarespace uses to create the link. Try to use something short, clear, and easy to recognize. That makes it easier to stay organized, especially if your page has multiple sections and anchor links. After you enter the custom section name, look to the right side and click Copy. Squarespace will copy the anchor link for that section so you can use it anywhere you need. This saves time and helps make sure you're using the correct link format. Once you've copied the anchor link, you can attach it to buttons or regular hyperlinks. When someone clicks that button or link, they'll be taken directly to that section of the page. This is especially helpful for one-page layouts, long landing pages, or websites where you want smoother navigation between different content areas. A helpful tip here is to double-check that the section name is spelled exactly the way you want before copying the link. Keeping your section name simple can make your workflow cleaner and easier to manage later on. And that's it. That's how to get section anchor links in Squarespace. Once you know where to find the setting, it's a quick process, and it can make your site much easier to navigate.